going to look at adding or subtracting fractions with different denominators. As you can see, we've got 3/4 here with a 4 in the denominator, 3/8 with an 8 in the denominator, and we're taking away. You can't dive straight in, we've got to make sure they're the same denominator. The first step I'm going to show you is multiplying them together. We want to get a denominator that is in a multiple of 4, it'll be in the 4 times table, also a multiple of 8, it'll be in the 8 times table. The easiest way to do that is 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32, so now I've changed them both to 30 seconds. And as you know, how on earth did I turn that 4 into 32? I multiplied by 8. And if I did that to the denominator, I must also do it to the numerator. So 3 times 8 is 24. Same over this side. How on earth did that 8 become 32? Well, we times it by the 4. And to make it fair, whatever we do to the denominator, we must do to the numerator. 3 times 4 is 12. So now, take away 12 30 seconds from 24 30 seconds. I'll just remove these. There we go. I know I'm dealing with 30 seconds, so my denominator will be that. 24 take away 12 is 12. So your answer is 12 over 32. You might be able to see you can simplify that. Is there a number, a times table that you'll come across and it's got 12 in and 32? I can think of the 4 times table. Divide that 12 by 4. My answer is 3. And again, if I did it to the top number, I must also do it to the bottom. 32 divided by 4 is 8. So my answer is 3/8, simplified.